Hi everybody, I'm back from Germany. We've just been over to H&S, so a big shout out to Warwick for inviting me over for the second time, and a big shout out to all his members of staff. They're all wonderful people. Met some great artists as well while I was over there. So today's video is a look at what the Infinity 2024 can do. So this is just a little teaser for you guys, so you get to see how well this brush performs, because it is absolutely phenomenal, guys. It really is. This one's going to be a little time lapse, just as a little teaser, so you get to see. There's going to be more videos coming up a bit later on, so enjoy today's video, and then at the end of the video you'll get to see a few pieces of artwork that I've achieved with this brush. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one.